Hey guys, this is Josh with Next Gen Game Repair. I wanted to do a quick video tutorial on the ACHI IR Pro SC, and this is version 1 of the series. There is 1 through 4, our versions 1 through 4, and this is going to be the first version that they came out with. The reason why we're doing this video tutorial, is that we're actually, there's a lot to know about this machine. It's not going to be just an out-of-the-box push-start system that's just going to have you rebond like a champion on your first try. If you do get it your first try, kudos to you, but there's a lot of stuff that you need to know about this machine. The first thing that you're really going to need to test as soon as you get the machine put together and actually functioning properly is going to be the top heater, and that is this part of it right here. What we're testing this for is the evenness of heating coming out of it, and what you'll need to do is put it on a profile that starts the top heater right off the bat. There's a lot of profiles out there in the forums that actually have you start the bottom plates first, heat up the board, and then start the top heater. For this tutorial, you're going to need to start the top heater right off the bat, because we're going to turn off the bottom plates so that way there's no interruption with this video tutorial. So what we're going to do is just turn off the bottom plates now. They're actually already off. These two buttons here, this one and this one, need to be in the bottom or the downward position. If they're up like that, just flip it down, and usually 9 times out of 10, if your system's wired properly, that means that the plates are going to be off. And we will go ahead and start the profile. Just to kind of go over the system real quick. We're actually on part number 7. I don't think we've changed this one at all, so it automatically starts the top heater. And what this is doing is we're actually on the SV mode right now. If you hit display, you'll go through a few different options, but this is actually in Celsius, the temperature rising for the top heater. If you hit the button again, it'll actually go to MV, and what the MV stands for is the amount of power that's getting pushed to the top heater, and that's pretty much all regulated by the TC, because the TC is nowhere near the top heater right now or the board. It's going to be at 100% throughout this tutorial. So we'll go ahead and shut off the lights. We have started the profile already, and we'll just wait for this top heater to start glowing. And the reason why we're doing this is so we can actually show you a better idea of what the top plate is going to be doing, and if your top plate is going to be defective or not. Right now we can actually start to see the top plate start to glow, and right off the bat you can pretty much tell that the top plate is defective, just because of the area that it's glowing in right now. It's actually glowing in a diagonal path, and then it's starting to glow in other different areas. The place that you see it glowing the most right now is where the most heat's going to radiate from, and that is not in the center of the plate, so it's going to cause major problems with your system, because it's going to pretty much heat the board unevenly. It's going to heat the chip unevenly, especially if you look just to the north of the glowing area. It's barely glowing at all. So that's really going to cause the chip to heat unevenly, and it's actually going to pop your chip. We actually just received this plate. It was a replacement. We are doing the tests on it now, and it is defective. You can actually see where the center of the plate is. It's the plate that's not glowing at all. If the whole plate was glowing evenly and it didn't have that orange spot that you can see right now, then the plate would probably be good. The only other thing that I'm worried about is just north of the glowing area, or the really orange area, is the place where it's not glowing that orange at all. And this is just going to pop your chips. It's going to cause a lot of problems. So it's pretty much to the point where we want to go ahead and shut off the system. Again, this is just for testing purposes. You never want to let this system or the top plate get that hot when you're running the profile. It really shouldn't be getting orange at all. But as we noticed when we were running the profiles before, that it did start to glow orange, specifically in that one area, and this plate is defective. So it's going to need to be sent back. We're trying to find alternate places to get the top plate from.
just because the quality of the ones that you're going to receive from the trading company that you bought the system from are going to be low quality, and they're going to cause you a lot of headaches and problems from shipping them back and then sending you a replacement and it glowing in the same area again or a different area, and just being completely uneven. So hope this tutorial helped you out. There's going to be many more to come, and we'll definitely keep you guys informed and up to date on any new breakings with this machine.